Welcome to the future world. Combined with advanced technology, liberal art and humanities, an incredible new creature is born. Just like a real cat, MarsCat is fully autonomous, stretching, tapping, and even burying litter. It may express different emotions by different meows or gestures. MarsCat can play with you or your toys because it can feel, hear,
Mars, go sleep.
and see. It can interact with objects or people nearby, even play with real cats. It heals with purr sounds. Every MarsCat is unique, from its eyes, body to personality. You can pet it and shape its characters in your own way. Dress it up, make it more adorable. MarsCat is open-sourced and programmable. With powerful quad-core Raspberry Pi, you can create your own applications. MarsCat is also an ideal choice for education, research, and commercial purpose. Batteries last for around 3 hours for active reactions, or 6 hours for regular motions. We value your privacy, and all data is stored offline. Join us for a new era of technology. Dream up a new world, break the boundaries, and embrace the future. The MarsCat has been designed for you. Elephant Robotics. Enjoy Robots World.